In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile split payments in Xero. Managing your financial transactions using Xero is typically straightforward, but handling split payments can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. So let's go through a step-by-step guide to make this task simple and efficient. First, open up your web browser and head over to Xero's official website at xero.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button, usually found conveniently at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your Xero account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. Look towards the top of your screen and you'll see a taskbar menu. You're going to want to find the Accounting tab within this menu. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. Under the Accounting section, there's an option labeled Bank Accounts. Selecting this will lead you to all the bank accounts you've integrated with your Xero account. Here, you'll need to identify the specific bank account where the split payment was either received or made. Click on the bank account in question to open up more details. Next, navigate to the reconciliation area for the selected account. This step is crucial for finding the split payment transaction. Once inside the reconciliation screen, locate the payment or receipt that corresponds to multiple invoices or bills. More often than not, these are payments that consolidate several smaller transactions into one. Here's where it gets interesting. Once you've pinpointed the right transaction, click on Find and Match. This option will help you see which invoices or bills are connected to the payment. Pay close attention here. You're going to copy the payee name associated with this set of invoices or bills. After you've copied it, paste the payee's name into the search box. This will filter and showcase all relevant invoices or bills under that specific payee, making your job a whole lot easier. Once you've done that, hit the Go button to confirm your search. Now comes the part where you tick off all the invoices or bills that contribute to the split payment. This step ensures that when added together, the total amount of the selected invoices or bills equals the bank transaction amount. It's important that these figures match up perfectly. With everything ticked and matched, you're almost done. The final step is to approve the reconciliation. If everything checks out and the amounts match, click OK to complete the reconciliation process. This action confirms the transaction in your Xero account, effectively closing the loop on reconciling that split payment. And that's it. You've now successfully reconciled a split payment using Xero. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you work with these transactions, the more intuitive the process will become. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reconciling.